Good morning, student. Welcome to English language class. In the previous class, I had explained you the writing skills, that is application writing, letter writing and essay writing. Today we will do reading skills, that is comprehensions or unseen passages. Dear students, unseen passage is one of the main topic of reading skills. Dear students, please take out your book and open page number 103. Comprehension. Comprehension means the ability of mind to grasp or understand anything written or spoken. Comprehension passage is meant to test a student's ability to understand the ideas in their given context. Comprehension is the understanding and interpretations of what is read. To be able to accurately understand written material, children need to be able to decode what they read, make connections between what they read and what they already knows, and think deeply about what they have read. In simple terms, reading comprehensions is the ability to read, understand, process and recall what was just read. Dear students, unseen passage are the passages which are not presented in the textbook. They are also known as unknown passages. Unseen passage are those passages which are not present in our book. It is given on the question paper which we haven't read, and we have to answer those questions with reference to the passage. Dear students, before attempting to answer the questions on an unseen passage, it is necessary to read the passage again and again so that a general idea of the subject of the passage becomes clear. Once the passage is clear, it is easy to answer the questions. One should also keep the following points in mind before answering the questions set on a given passage. Now I am explaining some important tips for solving comprehensions or unseen passage. First, read the passage thoroughly. Read the passage quickly to have some general idea of the subject matter. Read the passage again and again and underline the important points. Read the questions and try to know what has been asked. Read the passage again and underline the portions where the probable answers may be available. Use as far as possible your own words to answer the questions in a precise and brief way. Always use complete sentences while answering a question. To find the answers to the vocabulary based question like synonyms, etc., replace the words with the meaning. If you find that it is the same in meaning, the answer is correct. If you are asked to give the meaning of some words or phrases, try to express your idea in your own words as clearly as possible. To find the correct option in multiple choice questions, go through all the options, reread the passage and then take the correct options. Don't give your own opinions or comments about anything unless you are asked to do so. Dear students, the major goal of reading comprehensions is to help students develop the knowledge, skills and strategies they must possess to become proficient and independent readers who read with meanings. While reading, a student is expected to simultaneously mentally interact and construct meaning from the text. Dear students, In the next class, we will learn how to solve the unseen passage. Thank you and have a nice day.